Namaste. India is an ancient civilization. According to historians, it has entered its sixth millennium. Yet, India is also a young nation, just around 70 years since it became a free country. But a lot of work has to be done to reorganize the land and its people to meet the satisfaction of all. Let's look at India's map in 1947 after its independence. Then, till date, many states have been formed, merged, and divided. Each state has its own culture and tradition. To understand different states, let's do an activity on Indian states. Here, the students will be provided with a metal board and magnetic pieces of Indian states. Like a jigsaw, they will have fun assembling the pieces within the contours of the Indian map. They will learn different sizes, locations, and who the neighboring states are. Every state is blessed with a capital city, which is the seat of the state government. Activity 2 involves marking the state with the capital city flag. In all, this is an enjoyable way to learn about Indian states and capitals. Dhanyavad.